Hello, is it audible? Right. So today we'll discuss about BEEE Unit 3. So this Unit 3 consisting of three topics, three main topics divided as three topics. One is energy resources. Second one is electricity bill. Okay. Third one is equipment safety measures. So these are the main topics which consisting of Unit 3. So here, with respect to exam point of view, okay, so better to concentrate on these two topics. Okay, you can study, but don't omit this, but better to study this also. But when compared to these three, among the three, you can get a question from this, or question from 1 and question from 2. Okay, like this combination of any 2 and 3, 3 and 1, like that. But in a single topic, you cannot get two questions. Okay, so you have to study all the topics. Okay, so among these three topics, these two topics are very, very important with respect to exam point of view. Okay, so here energy resources. What is meant by energy resources? So generally, how the power is generating. With respect to your syllabus is concerned, how the power is generating. Okay, how many ways we are generating the power? How many ways we are generating the power? Okay, so there are so many ways. Okay, first one is by using water, that is hydroelectric power station. By using coal, that is thermal power. Okay, by using solar power. By using wind energy, and by using earth heat of the earth, geothermal, earth heat, and ocean. Okay, so by using diesel also we can generate the power, that is diesel generator is there, na? Diesel generator. So by using so these are the main. By using this, the diesel is limited. Okay, whereas this one, where the hydroelectric power generating station are there, like Sri Sailam, Nagarjuna Sagar, any projects are there, dams, there we are generating the hydroelectric by using water. Okay, by using pressure of water we are generating the power. By using coal is as a fuel. Okay, by using steam we can generate thermal power. Solar, okay, by using sun ray, okay, rays of sun. And by using wind, by using pressure of the wind. Okay, and geothermal, earth's ore. Okay, so from the heat generated by the earth's ore, we will get a geothermal. And the ocean, so ocean, okay, depth of the ocean, there is a huge heat. Okay, that is called ocean energy. So these are the different types, but as far as your syllabus is concerned, I think hydro, thermal, solar is there, only three are there. Okay, so for individual you are having one block diagram. Working, you have to know what is the function of each part of the block diagram, you have to know. Okay, this is about first topic, hydro, thermal, solar you are having with respect to your syllabus is concerned. Okay, and another one is nuclear also is there, nuclear. Nuclear is there for you as far as your syllabus is concerned, maybe there I think. Nuclear energy. Okay. So next one is electrical bill. So electrical bill, I think you know, for our household, for any institution, will get after completion of 1 month will get electrical bill. Okay, that is second one. Third one is equipment safety features. Do you know about fuse? What is the function of this fuse? Why we have to use fuse? Okay, fuse, MCB, and shock and earthing. These are the topics. This is only electrical bill. Total here also you can have only one topic, that is electrical bill only. Okay, right. So here this fuse and MCB are the we can call it as protective devices. Fuse and MCB. MCB is nothing but it is also one of the protective device, that is miniature circuit breaker. And fuse, what is meant by electrical shock, and what is the how can we avoid this electrical shock? Okay, how can we avoid, how can we reduce this electrical shock, and what is meant by earthing? Okay, how can we avoid this? How can we what are the types of this earthing? What is the main characteristics of this earthing? Why we require this earthing? Okay, and types of earthing. Okay, so these are the topics which we have to cover in the unit 3. Okay, so this will cover lastly. First we will cover today. Okay, we will cover this total thing. In this time we will cover this total thing, and we will cover MCB if time permits, the two also. Fuse, MCB, shock, and time permits earthing also. But generally up to evening, up to shock or up to MCB we will cover. Okay, so first we will start electricity bill. Okay, right. So electricity bill. So we will get electricity bill by the end of the month. So means we are calculating electricity bill for 1 month. One month means how many days? Generally we have to consider 30 days. Generally. Otherwise he will mention 29 days or 30 days or 31 days. Okay, by default 1 month means 30 days. Okay, so in electrical bill, do you observe electrical bill? It consists of units. Do you see in that units? And then that units, depending upon the units consumed by the individual consumer, okay, you will get a bill in terms of amount. Okay, so units are there na? So that what is the meaning of unit? So unit is nothing but generally what the meaning of unit means, energy consumed per 1 month. Energy consumed per 1 month is nothing but unit. Okay, energy consumed per 1 month, okay, is nothing but units. Okay, so generally energy, what is the formula for energy? Energy is nothing but power into time. So power is nothing but the unit of power is generally watt, but we have to take kilowatt. Into time is nothing but not seconds, we have to take hours. Okay, that means 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. 1 unit, what is the meaning of 1 unit? 1 unit means 1 kilowatt hour. Okay, so the unit of energy is kilowatt hour. The unit of energy is kilowatt hour. So generally this can be obtained by 1 unit. So what is the meaning of 1 unit? 1 unit is nothing but general representation of electrical bill, so which is represented as unit. Okay, the unit of this one is energy is nothing but unit is nothing but kilowatt hour. Okay, so you have to consider kilowatt, and time has to be taken as hour, not second, not minutes. Here also it is watts. Okay, so one more thing. So watt can be converted into kilowatt as divide with 1000. If you divide with 1000, watt by 1000, it can be converted into kilowatts. Okay, 70 watts is there. 70 watts. Example, 70 watts. 70 watts means divide with 1000. 70 watts. Okay, how much you will get? 70 by 1000, 0.07 kilowatt, like this. So watts can be converted into kilowatt. Why? Because we require kilowatt. Okay, if minutes is available, for example, third one, if minutes are available, minutes, 1 hour, okay, it is mentioned in hour. But for example, 30 minutes is there. 30 minutes means how many hours? Half an hour means how much? 1 by 2. How do you got that 1 by 2? Simple. 30 minutes, okay, it is half an hour. 20 minutes means, how can you calculate? 20 minutes. Okay, so simple. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 20 minutes is equal to how much? So cross multiply. Okay, 60x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 by 60. That is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is how much? 0.33 something. Like this. Okay, time has to be converted into hours. Okay, if it is hours is given, okay, but it is given as half an hour or 30 minutes or 20 minutes or 40 minutes, you have to convert into hours. Wattage also you have to convert into kilowatts. Okay, right. So these are the main thing, 3 formulas. One is what is the unit? Kilowatt hour. Okay, how can we convert wattage into kilowatt? How can we convert minutes into hours? Okay, so these 3 formulas are required to calculate the electrical bill for household appliances. Okay, now a typical household appliances, you name it or you write down in your book. So immediately in our house we are having bulb. Okay, second one, immediately we are having fan. There are 2 type of fans, that is, one is ceiling fan, second one is table fan. No need to worry for that. Okay, then immediately our household consisting of TV, then laptop, or you can say laptop or a PC. 5, refrigerator, fridge or refrigerator. Okay, so 6th one is washing machine. 7, electrical iron, then geyser, or you can say heater also. AC have not written? AC. Then electrical cooker, then hair dryer, then vacuum cleaner, then electrical kit telling. Then over oven. Then over washing machine. Not washing machine. Okay. Mixer or grinder, both are equal. No need to worry. The function is same. The function is same. Then what motor you are having? Mobile is with you, not in your house. Mobile is with you. What motor? What motor you tell me? That is not inside the home. In your house, that motor is available in there. Electrical stuff is not written. Then over? Yes. Okay. So, okay. If you are having more than this, you can write, that is up to you. Okay. Right. So, these are the general electrical, typical electrical equipments which are available in our house. Maybe some of are available or some of are not available, but these are the individual minimum or general, or you can say typical household appliances. So, every electrical equipments is rated with power. Rated with power. Every electrical equipment. So, for example, if you take bulb, you may use, depending upon your financial condition, okay, you may use 15 watt, 20 watt, 30 watt, 40 watt, like that. Okay. So, these are the availability of power rating. Power is measured in watts. Power is measured in watts. So, 15 watt bulb, 20 watt, 40 watt, 60 watt, 100 watt, 200 watt, like this the bulbs having the power rating of up to 200. So, depending upon, for example, if you take this, it is a 15 watt bulb, this one, each one is 15 watt, each one is 15 watt. If you add all the things, how many are there? Nearly 20 are there, 20 into 15, that is 300 watts. Okay, right. So, fan generally this fan is 75 watt fan. The ceiling fan is generally 75 watt. Okay. So, depending upon the operation and location, it may be 100 watt also, it may be 200 watt also, it may be even 50 watt also. Generally this fan, ceiling fan, general fan is nothing but 75 watts. Okay, what generally you are seeing, that is a 75 watt. Generally what you are seeing, bulb is 15 watts. That is general. Okay, if you are having more money in your house, you can use 50 watt, 100 watt, 200 watt also. Okay, big fan you can use, that is up to you. Okay, right. So, TV is nothing but it is also depending upon the size. It may be 48 inch, it may be 15 inch, 20 inch TV, 48 inch, okay, then 55 inch, 65 inch, 100 inch. Okay, it is also depending upon the size of the TV. So, the range is from maybe 750 also available, 5000, 1500 up to maybe 3000 watts capacity can be rated. Okay. So, where it is written, every equipment it is written, it is mentioned on the name plate of that element. Any element is there, that element name plate details are there. At there it is written W watt, 1500 watt, 150 watt, W they will write, or VATT watt they will write. It is written on the name plate of the any element. Fan is there, there is a name plate is there. nameplate. On the nameplate is written wattage. Okay, right. Laptop is maybe 50 watts or maybe 150 watts, maybe up to 750 watt also laptop is available. Okay, so these are the rating of the laptop. It may be depending upon the size of the laptop. Okay, refrigerator is nothing but start with 1500 watts up to 3000 watts. Even if you use commercial, it may have 5000 also, 5000 watts. Okay, right. Then washing machine also generally depending upon the size. How can you buy this washing machine? 5 kg, 10 kg, 15 kg, like that you will buy. Okay, so depending upon that, it is also the wattage is 1500 watt to, it is ranges up to 4500 watt also, even it is more than that, but typically I am explaining. Okay, electrical iron is 750 watts, 1500 watts and so on. So maximum 1500 only, electrical iron. So geyser and heater, these two same, 1500 and 2000 watts. AC is up to 3000 watts. Okay, electrical cooker is 750, maybe 1000 also. Hair dryer 50 watts or maximum 75 watts. Hair dryer. So vacuum cleaner, it is also up to 1500 watts. Electrical kettle 750, not 750 watts, up to 300 watts. Oven also up to 300, maybe 500 also. This is also 300. Electrical stove is up to 2500 watts. So these are up to, I have given typical range or general range. Okay, so it may be depending upon the usage, depending upon the location, depending upon the size of the electrical kettle. Okay, the rating may be vary. Okay, so these see all are rated with wattage, but what we require? Kilowatts. What we require? Kilowatts. What is meant by electrical bill? How will calculate? Number of units consumed per 30 days. Number of units means number of kilowatt hour. Number of kilowatt hour. What is the meaning of kilowatt? What is available here? Wattage is available. Wattage available, right? So these watts can be converted into kilowatts. Okay, right. See, write down one problem and we'll solve that problem. We'll get the electrical bill. Okay, right. A typical household contains following appliances. Write down. I will check. Why? Because this is very, very important. Last year this question is came. Supplementary also this question is came. Who are failed regular, again they given as supplementary. So there is one more chance also there. Previous year also given. That's why it is very, very important. It is a simple problem. It takes only 20 minutes to complete the problem or 15 minutes. For you, okay, half an hour. Nothing will happen. Simple, 3 formulas are there. Just simple. Okay. A typical household contains the following appliances. 3 bulbs of 15 watt for 5 hours. See, what is the meaning actually? See, 3 bulbs are available. 15 watt each 15 watt. So 3 into 15, 45 watt. Okay. How much time they are switching on? 5 hours per day, that is per day, not for 30 days, per day. The hour means this is per day. Okay. All the data is given for only one day. So you have to multiply with 30 days as mentioned in the question, for 1 month or 30 days or something. Okay, right. 3 bulbs, and then one refrigerator of 1500 watts for refrigerator works for 24 hours. Yes, refrigerator works with 24 hours. Then these 3 bulbs are there, 5 fans of 75 watt each for 3 hours. One TV for TV, maybe you take 1500 is over. Okay, this is also 1500. For a TV, how much time it will works? Generally will take, it is given in the question, no need to worry, 6 hours. It is given in the question. Okay, one TV 1500 for 6 hours. Then one more, washing machine. Yes, washing machine, one washing machine works per washing machine is 2000 watts for a how much time? 30 minutes only or 1 hour? 30 minutes. Okay. Consider 1 unit per rupees 2 rupees. Consider charge 1 unit per rupees 2 rupees. They will charge 1 unit consumed. How much rupees they will take? 2 rupees. Okay. Okay. This is the question. Okay. Now as a solution, draw the table. Okay. Landscape or what we will call portrait. Rotate that book. Don't write A4 size. Rotate with 90 degrees. There you draw the table. In exam also you write that one only. It is better to write. Okay. It is written? Right. Serial number, name of the appliance, number of appliances, time, then name, number, time. Before that, number of appliances, watts. Okay, then time. After this, total watts, then time, then kWh, that is number of units. Okay, like this you draw the table and will calculate this one and will get a electrical bill. All of you draw. Right. Right. How many are there? 5 appliances are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. One is bulb. Second one, Huh? Second one, refrigerator. Fan, refrigerator, then TV, washing machine. How many are there? How many bulbs are there? 3 bulbs. How many fans are there? 5. Refrigerator 1, TV 1, washing machine is 1. How much bulb is what? What is the rating? Bulb rating? 15 watt? Yes, 15 watt. Fan 75. Refrigerator 1500? Yes, 1500 watt. TV also 1500 only. Washing machine 2000 maybe. I have given 2000, right? So now total watts. Total watts means what you have to do? Total watts means number of appliances into watts. What is the formula? Total wattage. Only this 15 watt for one bulb. How many bulbs are there? 3 bulbs are there. So how much wattage? 3 into 15. Okay. So 3 into 15, that is 45. Total wattage. Here 5 into 75. How much? 5 into 75. How much? 3, 5. 375. Here it is 1 into 1500. That is equal 1500. Here also 1500 only. Here also 2000. Okay. So these are in watts. Okay. These are watts. Time. How much time this will work? How much time I have given? Bulb. Bulb is 5 hours. Fan. Fan 3 hours. Refrigerator 24 hours. TV. TV 6 hours. Yes. Washing machine 30 minutes. 30 minutes has to be converted into hour. 30 minutes is equal to how much? X. X is equal to 30 by 60. 3 by 6. 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. That means 0.5 hours. Yes. These are all in hours. Okay. Hours, not in minutes. Okay. So consider all the time into hours, not in seconds and minutes. Okay. Right. Now kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour. So these are watt, 45 watt. How can we convert this 45 watt into kilowatt? 45 by 1000. Kilowatt over. Hour. Multiply with 5 hours. 5. So 375 by 1000. Yes. Wattage by 1000 in nothing but kilowatt into hour. 3 hours. Kilowatt hour. Okay. So here 1500 by 1000 into 24. 1500 by 1000 into 6 hours. 2000 by 1000 into 0.5. So how much it is? 45 into 5 by 1000, how much? into 5 by 1000. 0.225. Yes? 0.225. This one 375 into 3. 1.125. This is 1500. 1.5 into 24. This is 36. Yes. This one 1500 into 6 by 1000. 9. This one. So 1. Okay. What is the meaning of this one? 0.225 units. 1 unit, 1.125 units. 36 units, 9 units, 1 units, like this. Okay. These are the total units for individual equipment per 1 day. It is 1 day. So add this, all the units you add. How much it is? That is nothing but total number of units consumed per day is equal to, add it, (0.225) plus 1.125 plus 36 plus 9 plus 1, 47. Okay, 47.35. Okay, so these are the 47 units consumed per 1 day. How many days we have to calculate? For 1 month. Okay, calculate electrical bill for 1 month. We are calculating electrical bill for 1 month. Okay, right. What you have to do now? So here total units consumed per day into 30 days is equal to, okay, total units consumed per month. How much? 47.35 35 into 30. How much? 47.35 into 30. Is it correct? Refrigerator 1500 watts. Okay, 24, 36. Okay, so these are the, how much? 1420 units, 0.5 units are consumed per 1 month. Okay, now number of units consumed per month into rupees per unit is nothing but electrical bill for 1 month in rupees. How much here? 1420.5 into 2 rupees. 2 rupees. How much? 2841. One 1420.5 into 2 rupees 2841. Okay, these are number of units consumed by the individual household owner, okay, family, consumed by individual appliance by using individual appliances. Okay, in addition to this, there are two more charges are there. Generally, here for the given problem, okay, up to here is it okay? Up to here okay. There are two more charges are there. One is called fixed charge, or you can say consumer charge. Another one is, you can say it is a cess or a tax. So every month tax they will give up to 7 rupees, they will add. This one is 100 rupees. So in addition to general electrical amount, okay, in electrical bill these two are, okay, if you observe the electrical bill, you can get these two also. Consumer charges, do you see in consumer charges? Not seen? Kindly by evening you see. Electrical bill, if you see, there are, okay, number of units, amount, consumer charges and tax are, okay, other name that security deposit, like that they will say. Okay, right. Okay, this is not constant, it is depending upon the electrical board. Okay, depending upon the state or electrical board they will charge. Okay, for example, for any household, for 1 month door lock, how much they have to pay? Door lock. What are the energy consumption for 1 month for the door lock house? 0. They have to pay, that is 0 plus 100 plus 7, 107. So minimum charge is this one. This is minimum charge. Even though you are not utilizing any power, you have to pay minimum charge. That is consumer charge plus tax. Okay, even though you are not using any appliances in your house, door lock, 6 months also door lock you have to pay per month, like this. So these are called fixed charges or minimum charges you have to pay. It is decided by the electrical department of the state, these two values. Okay, right. Note down this. Second problem you note down. Calculate the electricity bill amount for a month of 31 days is given, not 30 days, 31 days. If the following devices are used as specified, given the rate of electricity is 250 rupees, not 250 rupees, 2 rupees 50 NP per unit. So calculate electricity bill. Serial number, appliances, watt, how many numbers we are using and how much time we are using per day. So these are per day. This wattage also for one quantity, okay. How many are there? 10 are there. How much total wattage now? 600, okay, like that. You note down and draw the table. Not written. Note down the problem. Everyone should write and solve. I will check now. This answer you have to tell me now. If it is over, I will move upward. Total 10 are there. Draw the table. Note down and draw the table. So table consisting of serial number, name of the appliance, number of appliances, and wattage, total wattage. Write down neatly, not zigzag manner, not like eating with 2 hands. With one hand puri, one hand idli. You will eat like that? No, na? So don't write like zigzag manner. అమ్మ రాయండి అమ్మ, తర్వాత అమ్మ రాయండి. Yes. Draw the table. What I said? Write like this. Why you are writing? In exam don't write like this. In exam write like this. In the exam also, semester exam also write this. Make a table like this. Okay. If it will draw the table like this space is not enough to get the all columns. Okay. How can you get total wattage? Number of appliances into watts. That is one of the column. Then time. Everyone has to do. Hey, first bench. Write down why are you discussing. What is in there that ఏమన్నా రాజకీయాలు డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నావా? కాదు కదా. ఎమ్మెల్యే అవుతావా? Amma, you have to tell me answer now. How much have to pay electrical bill? Hey, last bench. Hey, two black shirts. What are you doing? Are you writing? Solve the problem. Solve the problem. How many total 10 are there? Total watts 16 to 10. Like that. Everything you multiply. Do 75 into 4. Not hours. This is hours. 75 into 4. Number of units, how many are there? 4 are there. 75 into 4. Why you are written 8? 4. This is time. That is correct. That is 10. 600. Number of appliances into watt. We will get total watts. That is one of the column. మీకు చెప్పాను కదా ఇలా రాయమని. ఇక్కడ రాస్తే ఏడ పడుతుందమ్మా? మొత్తం పడుతుంది అందులో. వస్తుందా? యూ విల్ గెట్ లెస్ మార్క్స్ దెన్. Have you got total wattage? Have you got total wattage? You are written 600. You are calculating like this. After 600, 10, 600. Zigzag manner, don't write. How you have to write down? Hello. Why are you discussing? Hey, what is the amount? You tell me. Electrical bill. 1500. I have to give or you will give? 1500 I have to give or you will give? How much? Amma, be silent. Be silent. What is this book? Are you studying engineering first year or something? First class? Huh? White book you have to use, not rolled book. Who said to use this book? Huh? Ah. Yes, I will come. How much? 574.275. That is rupees? 31 days. 18 into 31. This is units or rupees? Rupees. Where is? No, not like that. Where you multiply with rupees? 2 rupees you have to multiply, na? 2.5. Sorry. 2.5. You have to do that one. Yes. Be silent. 1470 is correct. So the answer is 1471 rupees I have to pay. 1471. 71. 1423. Discount. 1471. 1471. Where is 1471? When you will do? You do. చేయమ్మా తొందరగా, ఎంతసేపు చేస్తావు? 14 that you are written, that you entered. Do. Amma, everyone has to do. Everyone has to do. When you will do, man? Now you are writing. Do. Hey. బయటికి పంపించేస్తా నేను. ఏమిది? ఎప్పుడు చేస్తావు? మళ్ళా బొట్టు పెట్టుకున్నావు. Individual has to go do. Otherwise, for 3 people you will get 100 marks. You require yourself or a group of people? 1471. 1470 something you will get. 1471. Last answer. Total electrical bill is 1471 rupees. Everyone has to do. Do. నువ్వేంటమ్మా ఇలా రాస్తావు? Way of representation in your answer booklet, it should be neat and clean, not zigzag manner. Who are writing like this, they will eat with 2 hands. That's all. ఏంటమ్మా సెకండ్ బెంచ్ వచ్చిందా? ఆన్సర్ ఎప్పుడు చేస్తావు? ఏంటమ్మా? హలో, 1470. స్టార్ట్ బెంచ్ చేయండి అందరూ. ఇలా చేయొచ్చు కదమ్మా, ఇలా చేయొచ్చు కదా. In exam, try to write like this. They will give paper na. They will give paper in exam. They will give additional paper. Is there? No, they will not give. In exam, additional paper is given or not? You will get? Then you write. In exam also you write. Hello? What happened, sir? Hello? How much you got? Right, correct. Very good. ఫస్ట్ బెంచ్ ఇంకా చేయట్లేదు. ఈ అబ్బాయి ఏమో ఎమ్మెల్యే అవుతాడంట. ఏంటమ్మా నువ్వు ఏం చేస్తున్నావు? వాట్ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ బై సిట్టింగ్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్? అరే రే రే రే, హెల్త్ బాగాలేకుండా చేయడా? వై ఆర్ కమింగ్ టు కాలేజ్ దెన్? నువ్వేం చేస్తున్నావు ఫస్ట్ బెంచ్లో కూర్చొని? ఏది వెరీ ద ఆన్సర్? ఆన్సర్ రాయ్. Hey, you have to get the marks. That is up to you. Whether you will do or not, that is up to you. You got? Right, very good. So rounded to the amount, the rupees should be rounded to nearer value. The amount should be rounded to near value. That is 1471. 1471 is the electrical bill you have to pay. 1471. 1471. ఏంటమ్మా నువ్వు పెన్సిల్తో రాస్తున్నావు? రఫ్ నోట్స్ అయితే పెన్సిలా అంటే మొత్తం ఎరేజ్ చేస్తావా? మరి ఓకే. Note down this problem. The previous problem answer is 1471. 1471 rupees is the electrical bill which we have to pay. So here by observing the above problem, what do you understand? So number of hours, utilization of individual equipments is more, then we will get a more electrical bill. So try to use less time. Okay, instead of using 7 hours, use for 5 hours, use for 3 hours, like that. You cannot avoid, but use less. Write down this problem. Over. Third problem. calculate the electrical bill for year also 31 days if the following. Sir? Okay. So calculate the electricity bill for amount for month of 31 days if the following devices are used as specified: 3 bulbs 30 watts for 5 hours, 4 tube lights of 50 watts of 8 hours, 1 switch for 300 watts for hello, what happened? Not audible. Hello. 300 watts. Hello. Is getting now? Hello. So calculate the electricity bill amount for a month of. Hello. 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 Are you getting? Hello. 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 Other question came here. Don't answer. Give the question. That's all. Hello. 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 Did audible? Hello. Yes. Make the table. Did you return? ఒకటే టాపిక్ ఎందుకు 3 క్లోజ్ చేస్తుందా? హలో. హలో. Okay, we'll complete how much time, sir? 15 minutes, sir? Okay, right. So here problem you do complete that problem. Hello. What is tariff? What is tariff? Tariff. So, way in which amount collected by the different users. Okay, is nothing but tariff. So generally tariff are fixed one, second one is variable one. Variable means tariff 1, tariff 2, like that we are having. Okay, so what are different users? There are 7 users are there. 7 users. So depending upon the users, so here for electrical bill we are calculating how much for 1 unit, 2 rupees, 2.5, like that they are saying. Yes. Okay. So way in which how we are collecting the money from the different users. Who are they? So the users can be classified as, with respect to electrical department, 7 types. 7 types. Okay, that is nothing but category 1, category 2, okay, category 3, category 4, category 5, category 6, category 7. Who are they? Category 1 is nothing but general household family. Okay, general consumers or general household families. Okay, category 2, here also general consumers only, but okay, so apartments, who are living in apartments or who are living in gated community. The users can be classified as category 1, category 2. Okay, right. Category 3, commercial users. Commercial. So general store is then a general store, stationery shop, multiplex. Okay, shops, all shops comes under category 3. So depending upon the category, okay, we are collecting the amount. For example, general consumer consumed 100 units per month, they will collect 2 rupees per month. What about this commercial? They will collect 1 unit is equal 3 rupees. Why? Because they are, that is business. From them they will collect more money. What about category 4? Industry. That is small. Okay. Next one is category 5, also industry, but medium and big. Small industries means small scale industries are there, na? We'll say small engineering works. Okay, small engineering works. That is nothing but small industry. Industries medium and big. Manufacturing of fan industry, it is a industry. Textile industry, different type of industry. Okay, right. Category 6, defense. That is military, navy and Air Force. Right. Category 7. You tell me category 7. Category 7, you tell me. All are covered? All are covered. Individual household employees are over, commercials are over, all shops are over, small industry is over, medium industry is over, big industry is over, defense is also over. 7, commercial software, it is a business. Tell me 7, category 7 you tell me. Huh? Category 7. అమ్మా సైలెంట్గా ఉండండి అమ్మా. క్లోజ్ చేయాలా? ఓకే ఓకే అమ్మా వెయిట్ కేటగిరీ 7 ఈజ్ అగ్రికల్చర్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. I will share the notes to madam. Madam will share to you notes. Okay? Right. So there is a cyclone effect for 5 days. Cyclone effect for 5 days. Hey, days colors. అమ్మా ఏంటమ్మా సైక్లోన్ వస్తే హాలిడే ఇస్తారా మీకు? మీరెవరు? మీరు హాస్టలరా?
అరే హాస్టలర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో కేహబ్కి వెళ్ళండి, కేహబ్లోకి వెళ్ళి కూర్చోండి. మీరు కూడా హాస్టలర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో హాస్టలర్స్ కేహబ్కి వెళ్ళి కూర్చోండి. మిమ్మల్ని ఇంకా వదలలేదు. మేడమే చెప్పారా ఆడ కూర్చోబెట్టమని. ఏ మేడం? పర్లేదు, అక్కడ కూర్చోండి. అమృత మేడంతో నేను మాట్లాడాను, అక్కడ కూర్చోండి. మీరు ఇక్కడ తక్కువ మంది ఉన్నారు కదా, మేము ఇది క్లోజ్ చేసేస్తాం. అక్కడ వెళ్ళిపోయారు డే స్కాలర్స్, అక్కడ కంబైన్ అయ్యారనుకో మీరు, మీకే బాగుంటుంది.